equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for removing the screws and accessing the internal components of your Dyson SV14. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner and removing the battery. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the body. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. Now, with the back cover off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This not only helps with the performance but also ensures that the new body fits properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, locate the screws that hold the main body in place. These are usually found near the motor and the dust container. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Be sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect any wiring harnesses attached to the body. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any connectors. If you're unsure about how to proceed, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before committing to any service. With the wiring disconnected, you can now lift the old body off the vacuum. Set it aside and take your new body out of the packaging. Before attaching the new body, inspect it for any damage. If everything looks good, align it with the base of the vacuum and gently press it into place. Reattach the wiring harnesses, ensuring they click into place securely. This is a critical step, as loose connections can lead to performance issues. Once everything is connected, it's time to secure the body with the screws you removed earlier. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it with the body and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the battery, and your Dyson SV14 is now ready for use. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Enjoy your freshly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.